Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by opening Visual Studio Code and focusing the editor pane. This matters because zoom commands affect the focused area. Once done, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open the command palette and type zoom to reveal zoom actions. Make sure you know whether you want to adjust editor font, UI, or terminal separately. That choice changes the command you pick. If you prefer shortcuts, note Ctrl++ and Ctrl+- work for UI and editor by default. Keep that in mind. Now you will refine which element to change and why. The editor font size affects code legibility, while window zoom level scales the entire UI. To set a precise editor font, open Settings Ctrl+, search Editor, Font Size, and enter a number like 14 or 16, then press Enter. For exact UI scaling, change Window Zoom level to 1 or 2, where each step equals 20% roughly. Make sure to separate terminal scaling from the editor if you want different sizes. Finish by saving your chosen values so they persist. Open Settings, JSON and confirm Editor. Font size and window zoom level are set as you want. Once done, restart VSCode if behavior looks off. Most changes take effect immediately, but a restart clears extension conflicts. If zooming doesn't work, check keyboard shortcuts for conflicts and disable extensions that override zoom keys. One quick tip: use Reset Zoom from Appearance or Set Window. Zoom level back to 0 to recover default scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.